Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a common question many investors ponder: is option trading better than stocks? We'll break it down into simple terms to help you make informed decisions. Stocks versus options. Let's start by comparing stocks and options. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while options are contracts giving you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price within a set time frame. Pros of stocks. Investing in stocks is straightforward and less complex than options. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of a company and can potentially benefit from dividends and long-term growth. Pros of options. Options offer flexibility. They can be used to hedge against potential losses or to speculate on price movements. You can control a larger position with less capital using options, potentially amplifying gains. Risk factor. Stocks typically involve less risk compared to options. When you own a stock, your potential loss is limited to your initial investment. However, with options, you could lose your entire investment if the trade goes against you. Strategy and knowledge. Options require a deeper understanding of market dynamics and strategies. Stock investing can be more passive, while option trading demands active management. How to decide. The choice between stocks and options depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're a long-term investor looking for stability, stocks may be your choice. If you seek short-term gains or risk management, options could be more suitable. Common misconception. One common misconception is that options are riskier than stocks. While options can be riskier, when used wisely, they can help mitigate risk. Bonus point. Here's the bonus point: diversification is key. A balanced portfolio can include both stocks and options. This approach can provide opportunities for growth while managing risk. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to whether option trading is better than stocks. It all comes down to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor and educating yourself thoroughly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!